Hello, I'm drawing the things what the doctor puts in to hear the heartbeat. And now I'm gonna put the center of the stethoscope. And now I go across, go back in. And now I just do it again and put it back to the other one. And then now I'm gonna put the upside down U and then now right way up U. And then I do two lines, but it's not actually at the sides. And then a circle. And now I'm gonna do some eyes. Colour in the stethoscope red. Now we're finishing off the red. Just putting the crayons back in place. Now we use some grey. Now we finished off the grey. The face is going to be pink. I'm sure we're finished with the pink. Oh, we are. Now I hope you liked it and we finished our drawings. I hope you will draw with me next time. So to subscribe. Bye.